we are, Eliminations. We changed the tune-up. We're in the second bracket. We ended up qualifying with an 8-1. We only got one pass yesterday, so no more passes. We qualified with an 8-1. It puts us in the middle of the second bracket field. We didn't really want to be in that other field anyways, so this works out. People are getting photos while I sit in here and hold the camera. But anyways, we're in the second bracket, so there is like a breakout rule, so we're not going to be leaning on it super hard. We're just going to be trying to make clean passes, work on the suspension. The track's probably not going to be that great today. It's just, you know, at this point, everything's a win. We're just here to go rounds and have some fun now. Like, we're not going to be leaning on, we're probably going to run around 8-0s the rest of the day and just play around with it and see. I want to, you know, leave the boost in for the whole quarter mile and kind of see how it does and just keep working on it. We're warming up now. Eliminations are supposed to start in like an hour, less than an hour. It's like 9 in the morning. They're getting an early start. We're all driving back tonight. It's gonna be a crazy day, crazy day. I don't even know if I'm gonna be here the whole day because I rode with someone else. So let's hope they go rounds as well. Otherwise, I made a bunch of tunes for Dave and he can just load what he needs, hopefully. We'll see.
Terrible.
Terrible, why?
You weren't there. You didn't go to dinner with us either.
I didn't get the invite. You said, oh, I'll text you later. Nothing.
Yeah, we all fell asleep.
Yeah, I was fried. I was fried.
The sun just drained.
No, it really did. Yesterday was hot.
Pass, you know?
No. How you feeling for today, buddy?
Well, hopefully I don't get DQ'd for not having a hood.
Yeah, so I was worried. My previous hoods have pushed down. And this hood is pretty flimsy, so we were worried that it was going to be pushing down, but he's got all this openness, so the air actually pulled it up. And I mean, y'all saw in the other video, like it pulled the fenders in, and not ideal, but I mean, you don't know that stuff until you get out and try it, right? So we're going to build like a support in the back to Zeus it, to hold it. So I can't do it again. Yeah, well, we got a whole list of changes, and you know, there's a private rental in like 2 weeks.
Oh, here we go. Countdown to private rental.
Yeah. Hopefully you have no customer cars at the shop to work on, so we can just race your car all the time now.
Mark?
Yeah, I hear all the people that are helping, they're like, nope, he's going nowhere. So here we are, Eliminations. We're gonna get going. Dave, what do you think? Going rounds, making the finals? Am I getting my bonus today? If you throw the finals on purpose, I still get paid.
Like, man, I might just throw it on.
Yeah, he's gonna redline in the finals just so he doesn't have to pay my ass.
You would owe me money.
Yeah, no, definitely not.
What's the red light rule?
Yeah. So, but yeah, we're worried about the no hood because you they made a big old deal about the no hoods this year. You have to have a hood. His is messing up, and it is a quarter mile. So, like 8th mile, we could probably get by. Quarter mile, no way, it's too fast. Yeah,
so right past the 8th and it was like, ooh.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, but anyways, we got all the tune-ups ready for the day. I have a bunch ready just in case.
Tires good?
And yeah, they're getting the car ready. Elimination is supposed to start in under an hour, so we got to get rolling. All right, so now here we are. Dave's car, first round Eliminations. Left lane, I guess he's racing a GTR. Don't know much about it. No hood, but the officials already cleared it. It's okay because it actually cracked down the middle. On the last pass, when the air got up underneath it, it cracked the hood. But everyone's fine with it. It is what it is. It's like, yeah, we'll put it on, but it's probably gonna blow off and go flying. So they're like, nope, you're good. We had it on for a qualifying pass, so everything's good. So here we are. They're about to run Street Racer Elite. I may go up there and try to get some film. Casey Ranch is up there. The Viper's up there. I love that thing. Cletus is over there. I may try to get some of those. But yeah, here we are. Good luck, Dave. Good luck. 146.
Weight 23.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
It's on? It's on? Hello? Hello?
It is on. How are you, buddy?
It's good.
Look at that, round one win.
Another good pass.
You just made it look easy. Killed the light, my man. 065 on the light.
Carcho.
Dude, he's ready. You had a half a second on him about the light.
Well, it's GTR, so he deep staged because
I can't believe he deep staged you.
I think he was trying to like give himself
What an
more time. And I was
idiot.
like, God damn it, Joe got the tune-up. We'll spool fine.
Yeah, and sure enough, we got there.
She gets him on the super.
Nice easy pass.
Yeah.
Let out a little early.
Let out early.
You know, whatever. But no, good 8th mile time, best 8th mile time in a mile an hour, so everything's good.
Slowly get into it.
Slowly get into
We need
it.
a test. We need a test session.
No, we need a real test session now. That's
we can
what
start
me and
doing
Dave talking about. Like, we're just going through the motions for the rest of the day because we're not in the fast class, so we can't go any faster, really.
Yeah.
The car's as quick as it can go. So, I mean, this is just, you know, here now to finish out
This
the
is
week,
good
pretty
function
much.
Testing,
Yeah.
make sure everything cools.
Yeah,
make sure
yeah.
it can go rounds.
No, you're exactly right. You're exactly right. But no more tuning or leaning on it. No more 60 foot in the grease. The traction get worse and greasy, and
We got a little scramble just in case.
got a little scramble just in case. But yeah, no. So this is just kind of going through the motions at this point. But great first round. Did exactly what we needed to.
Run good.
Looked great, man. It looks good.
It's fun.
It looks good. Good job,
so excited to
Dave.
be back.
David Van Forest and Mike Bandy. Bandy won his roll race class on Friday, and he left before the tree came down. Here we go. David Van Forest and Daniel Burks. And one more time, who's got the Mustang? Who's got the love truck? Let's do this. 300 to the truck. Top end of the racetrack, win light, give it to the truck, 793. So Daniel Burks will go to the final round.
And just like that, we're back from TX2K. So you saw the passes. I had footage from the first one, and then the other ones I got from the live stream. I actually hit the road early. The guy I rode down with was headed back. So we weren't competing by all means. If we were competing and going for the main title, I would have hung out and made sure Dave was going. But we weren't leaning on the car. We were leaving the tune-up in it for the rest of the day. And just going around and getting data. That's all that was. But here we are, back. Dave's back, car's in one piece. Car's running great. I'm surprised it's not in my garage, to be honest. I thought Dave was gonna bring it right back here. I don't know. Dave's he's slacking. But yeah, so we got a list of changes already we want to do. We need to do something with the hood, try to fix that up. I think we're talking about blocking in the bottom part that doesn't go to the intercooler. We're just getting too much air in and it's pushing up on the hood. My Fox, the whole front bumper was closed except for the turbo. So the air pressure actually pushed down on my hood. His is pulling it up. So we're gonna block off that lower part to try to limit airflow. And then we were talking about, Brady had the great idea of maybe putting some louvers in the back to try to let some of that air out. And then I also think we're gonna build a little brace back there to Zeus it down to try to hold it. So lots of things we're gonna do there. We wanna add a bunch of sensors. The car was separating pretty hard and aggressively. We don't have shock data, so I don't have a lot to go off of on that. We did do one bar change and lots of shock changes while we were there. We want to do some more, but pretty much at this point, like we need to do some more sensors. We're going to go through, do maintenance. and just, you know, oil change, transmission fluid change, rear end fluid change, just go everything, tighten everything up, make sure everything's still good after, you know, the first weekend of racing. And then we're gonna go out and we need good prep. We need a private rental and where we can just really pour it in. We got great prep and just start leaning on it, really. This first one was working out the bugs and just getting good data. Tune's good, worked out the bugs, big bugs, but we worked through all of them. And yeah, so now it's ready to just start hammering it out and run some good times. I'm looking forward to it. So we're gonna do that on his car. And other than that, he's super busy. I'm sure, I don't know when we're even gonna be getting out. It's gonna be a little bit. We thrashed pretty hard to make TX2K and then the time off from TX2K. He's running a shop now. I'm sure he's way behind. He's got a lot of catching up to do. Nick's car's coming back. Gonna finish up the twin turbo kit on it. We're still waiting on parts on this guy. I mean, I ordered a bunch of stuff, nothing. Engine, I talked to them a while back. I need to follow up on the engine. Hopefully it's getting close, but until like we're waiting on parts on that. And then I got a couple of other videos that are gonna be coming out soon. Talking about some car changes. I may be doing some stuff. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so that kind of wraps up the 2K video. I think we're gonna do a recap, maybe on Dave's channel. We're gonna kind of go through it and Dave's gonna come over, we'll eat ice cream and just kind of talk about it. I may do a technical one about the logs. So if you wanna see a video where I go through the data and kind of talk about each pass and what I'm looking for and all that, you know, drop a comment down below and let me know if some people are interested. I tried going through data logs once before on my Fox, and like you can see on YouTube, like when people quit watching a video, and like everyone quit watching the video as soon as it went to the data logs and the technical stuff. So if you guys don't want to see that, that's fine. But if you do want to see it, let me know. I know y'all love this racing content, so hopefully we'll get some more racing content soon. Brady's car is at a point where we need to get out and go lean on it, and same with Dave's car. So maybe we'll get over Oklahoma City, Thunder Valley. They have like a pro test and tune where they prep the track every hour on the hour. So hopefully we can get over there to that in the next, you know, month or two. And we can start leaning on all these cars. Maybe we can all get together and go out there at the same time, kill two birds with one stone. I don't know, we'll see, we'll see. But yeah, looking forward to a great weekend 2K. Amazing, we got all the bugs worked out and how good the passers are doing. Just no boost and already running pretty much 8.0s. I think, you know, mile an hour would have been like 170-ish. 8.0 at 170 on like 20 something pounds of boost. Crazy, crazy. And we never got a good 60 foot. It did go 1.2 60 foot, high 1.2, like 1.29, but it went a 1.2 60 foot. I mean, for not even trying, and like, I never really wanted to work on the 60 foot. I just wanted it to go and launch. The track was tricky the whole time. Like, just, I'm really impressed with it. I'm super pumped to dial it in. That car is gonna surprise a lot of people. That thing's gonna be a bad dude. So anyways, lots more content coming. I'm gonna keep trying to pump out the videos. Granted, I'm not out racing, so I'm not gonna be able to do these like every 2 or 3 days. This is kind of nice while it was going on, but back to the real world, I gotta catch up. I got my job I gotta catch up on. This, I got an empty spot in the garage. Like, I'm sure Nick's like, no, my car's coming back. We're doing that twin turbo kit. So waiting on Dave for that. We'll get that back in. But yeah, keep following along. Make sure you subscribe, like these videos, and just, yeah, follow along. We got a bunch of stuff going on, a bunch of stuff in the pipeline, and we're just gonna keep rocking and rolling.